How to fix Home would like to send you critical alerts error. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. If you're getting this error that says Home would like to send you critical alerts and your whole device freezes up, this is how you fix it. So the first thing that you'll need to do when you're in that situation is force restart your iPhone. Since your device is not working and it has been frozen, what you'll need to do is press and quickly release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. After it appears, you can release the side button and then your iPhone will restart. After the restart is complete, you can then go to your settings, and on your settings, you will need to scroll down until you find your option that says screen time. Tap on it, and then there you should see content and privacy restrictions. Now, if this is turned off like this, turn it on, and that should fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.